forest ho.
Okay.
Almost one no more chassis free. I think say na a deserve say you be more prominent.
Prominent. You be more
you dey check or more free.
All right. Okay. Now that one story page no so no also hope for child cancer care in Cape Coast. Foundation breaks ground for special treatment center. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Sa lady no the foundation.
The foundation.
And na omayo say unsi Cape Coast ni sa child cancer treatment.
All right.
Into mu see sa de no ewo Cape Coast. Our market saw that omo be share dwuma ase. When I say fine, obi we the must say abo mine now. I think we know recent times the challenges are when it comes to our hospitals. Wage are there and some konkon ho afare ni se wa ni agenda 111. And this a private individual no be a foundation. No so person or no so ye the bo mine now. I think say a good say ye bo o ma baso na ye mo promoting kakra. Tina a disaster never.
Okay, and I knock the no so
I don't a funny kakra.
Then a funny.
Knock there. I was say almost per se Uncle Bo White.
Yeah.
That I playwright for.
Playwright.
Yeah, almost at least. Almost fine tune some drama need plays be at least. Ebema entity any church on how to stop you abusing drugs.
All right.
And send a bay at least omu acting no more na at least and cry no more bano. As a bit more manage your thinking when it comes to drug abuse because it's on the ascendancy. The drug no more abusing no.
Too much.
And you know, yes. The narco tend to theater, omuko is theater since a bit me abuana.
All right. Okay. I mean, that's it. So these are the stories on the front page of the Hawk newspaper. But Makati, I want you to take a listen to this. The flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, has undertaken a major restructuring of his personal office and 2028 campaign team, appointing former Minister for Parliamentary Affairs and ex-Majority Leader Osei Mensah-Bosu as Chief of Staff. The appointment places the veteran politician at the heart of Dr. Bawumia's preparations for the 2028 general elections and effectively positions him as one of the most influential figures within the former vice president's political machinery. Okay. So let's look at the other appointments also being made. Former Member of Parliament for Suhum Frederick Opariansa has been named Director in charge of identifiable activities, while former National Chairman of the party, Peter McMenu, takes up the role of Director in charge of political strategy. Former Chief Executive Officer of the Ghana Bauxite Company, Fred Owari, has been appointed political advisor. And former Minister of State and Managing Director of the State Transport Company, Nana Komia, would oversee communication and branding, while former Minister of Information, Kojo Oponkruma, has been assigned responsibility for policy coordination, assisted by Yvonne Hughes. Former Deputy Minister for Roads and Highways, Antonia Beifa-Kabo, has been put in charge of organization and youth inclusion, while Dr. Ekua Mwakon assumes the role of spokesperson. Wow. The appointments are expected to shape the strategic direction of Dr. Bawumia's political activities as he begins rebuilding support within the NPP and positioning himself for another bid for the 2028 presidential election. So, until Makati, so these are the appointments made by Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. But interestingly, Dr. Ekua Mwakon assumes the role of spokesperson. And a year, miracle.
It's a miracle for election. And you we have so no what an opportunity acquire election be manage party communication. Things that they want to take him away from Dr. Baumia. That I don't know because miracle give or take why be born in home madam Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, an ardent defender of Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia. If they become necessary say or more pushing their director of communications are then the ultimate is yenyi said you we finish so no timenya kwenya no nkoye campaign no nkotima for me yes I am not surprised about these things but as a committee sitting as for na ya dosun say automatic committees that the din is be 500 enwie na odiwe abano you see managing office, then communication and what have you, policy. Is that some of these things, when you do it in consultation with the party, but we now would you come party now? It looks more of imposition. Say what deciding now do my back and you will take the burden alone. Especially a branch party in way elections ahead of them. I think will be national executives. There will be a national chairman, there will be a general secretary, organizer, and what have you. These people should be able to work hand in hand with national executives from Modi Omeba. And you know, so one year strategic, no one year careful, very calculative. Okofu be no in charge of organization. Or more election, no more you organizer. No organizer ni partner or you responsible for organization in your office or no. Any good relationship are the assembly. I say, director of communication. And now will be your communicating. So some of these things I can train you. And no more election you na mu national executive we na we knew more trans na more fun I think it would have helped him a bit cure any mischief. I say but kwese what two groups that are why now obey decisions obey why you need so the people obey you almost member manage party now what will be their role or input to be a day you get it when it happens like that name what the strategic these are your people, these are your men, you trust them, fine. More train no more national chairman for you meet them and so good. These people I want them to work with me in this capacity. Any decision, any reservation, objection and what have you are now. As I do many part in the bit juma smoothly and seamlessly and not BBC.
So you foresee a clash?
There will definitely be a clash because you see, your phobias, director of communications for the party. Now we need director of communication for the president and that flag bearer, the candidate. Usually, a friction room. There's friction, huge friction. See, we even focus on government. Just go to Professor Monsa Breso. You remember Kokwani Doho?
Yeah, I remember.
Ayaganomo, that Ombese Pretty or Momoko Yeba ya busy Akufado's administration. You know what happened? The UD Ahi Kojo upon Chroma friction. Everybody want to show it, and I can say you will know if I buy communication anyway. How are they doing it? Now, at least for me, if I'm advising, so men are made too far. You see, the NPP needs unity more than anything, and there commodity NPP here can see a unity. Anything that will bring disunity, every man for a grumble, they don't need it. And some of these things, yes, though a year good, no, you don't need, because already we have people, you have committee or more policy, You have various committees, political committee, and what have you. We no more. These are people within your inner kitchen cabinet.
All right.
Kabu is very close to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Sure.
He doesn't need a title to operate. Obiti said Chairman Sabunso. He doesn't need a title to operate. Fred Owari, he had titles to operate. You see, once you begin to put titles on them ahead of Obeko contest, you are empowering people to sort of throw their weight about. Yes, sir, a big critic issues. And for me, yes, though minimum be, I don't doubt their competence. I think, sir, it is too early for him to have given that appointment. He would have waited for party election new year. I say, Nanka. So some of these appointments will come. National chairman, they must have input in some of these decisions. And the money party. Do you get it? But because for me, I think the parties are bigger than presidential candidates.
Sure.
But the party is area machinery, no. The party is the vehicle on which you be put or would be beton. So you must wait for the party to give you direction.
So it was not a wise decision.
Wise is
a bit harsh
for radio, yes. On this subject, yes, especially when you are seen as very critical on Dr. Bawumia in the decisions, they would think that you are attacking, but I think that it is and come train kakra
and
kebeboa party nebeboa on ankasa.
All right,
because there are men and women. You see, there's this MP, Ejisu MP, no.
Yeah.
Until the MPP internal election, flag bearer election, no, Prof. Now I don't think you knew say that guy is very vocal, political communication, superb, fantastic. Unfortunately, the party is not tapping into some of these discoveries. Onim Kasa. He's one of the men who spoke throughout the campaign season at one new Biatem. He never attacked anybody. He was focused on selling his candidate, which was Kennedy Ohinejafon. What is it? Such a person, you don't relegate him. Ochinimum, no one manage so what doubt na you monitor him closely. He said, "No, with the actions or bit me ayana." The gentleman is good, you see, but I don't know what they are making, what they are doing to him.
Is it because of the facts now or support Kennedy intina to baby?
Oh, that is an obvious fact, a naked truth, because someone there are machinations of getting him out of parliament. As I say, Kwabena Boateng, so that's the name. So yeah, it's Kwabena Boateng, honorable. That's his name. But Odopa, we are trying to searching the campaigns.
I will do that.
I'll listen to him, and I know you will pass this same verdict I'm passing. Very eloquent.
All right.
The tier amount but for me, he is the new discovery of MPP when it comes to communication.
Okay.
He will dwarf all of this one. I'm telling you.
Just like but there's another issue here we would want to take a look at. Chief Justice's Canada visit. Patriotic. No ethical breach, says Victor Adaudu. Sankomo we ababetodwa ama Ghana for MPP for no kase. I said the Chief Justice ye wono ye memu ha CIA Chief Justice Paul Bafo Bonne no ade ase woni aban no edi kasubom da ebi musu kire o madwen say entesa he was only being patriotic. Makati, what would you say about this?
Prof.
Yes.
I guess sad when I hear, let me think some say I think see you now come see you Ghana for. Yeah, politics. You see, a Christopher say there is time for everything. I think say Ecclesiastes in the can't say I see a time to cry, a time to party, a time to laugh, a time to do everything. Nyankopon boy, you know, about Emramo Yedi Bibia, and can do politics, near your politics. A drew footballer, near your football. May he so rest in peace, said John. When you say, Papa Winnie said John, and I call law school. Do you know that? Only said, like, literally, friends out say, "Oh, Timmy, cause said John Pierre, cause that said John Timmy, go in favor."
Baffle Bonnie.
Yeah.
Wow.
And to now see me say John, your life and and na ya who only Baffle Bonnie. Would we say, or yet Chief Justice and Tino, Manin Kipia Busia, Manin Kipina Vuana. Is it wrong for a Chief Justice to go and watch a football match? Me probia obetimia kotu the conduct of justice. Just say wa flout any rule of court. Say wa fa player ko Canada. Kwa hwe ball. Is there any other thing I kwa akoye ho no ma omo fi say ne hu hia. Anka ye tu kwan na ehia wa manone a yenina nipa baako ehesa enti wafani plane wafa plane makushia wa broche Canada uhuna na ese utwam. Is that what they are saying? Enti ohun vice president of the republic no ne papa mo ansi utwam onimo no. Is that what they are saying? You see, let's be reasonable sometimes. Let's be reasonable. And you know, where in the law of this country I trust the Chief Justice ain't me ball a bra party be a wabaimu. No bunny a day. You see, let's try to elevate the debate, the criticism. You see, I said there's a deliberate attempt to want to equalize, make things seem the same. Abra yet the same. Paul Bafuboni, the Chief Justice of this Republic, Ganani, Ofra Santimai, Owa Busia, Owa Namfo. It didn't start today, Prof. Sami Denvias ye or Kohono, or may beside the same questions that the Chief Justice are querying. No one could be a year who want to be seen. Prof, a year nkoja aware ye nkoja enti wunya wo de na me bejawa me nyame de na wa bejame but na se wan ko obi de a wan na beba wo de
a year
nkoja enti obi anya bi e no wato no nsa afre no depend on ayonkofa e da omuntem e no wa ona sa de no e no wa kobi yes Chief Justice akwayi anka won kode wakwa ye mose enye wakọ Canada akọhwe balls amose enye then na wonye.
But the context within which this claimed in the say on any vice president Nana Pukwa Ajimain echo Black Stars for hotel was Toronto ahead of the World Cup.
Na case bi wo Black Star for di ntina okọ o na je say omukọ influence decision ana. As we speak, is there any Black Star case at that quarter? Chief Justice, that Supreme Court, Chief Justice, and mobile determine any who say only Black Star for no only Vice President to know.
But the concern here is
there is no concern.
The concern here is the joint appearance.
It's artificial concern.
The joint appearance.
Now, but
yeah.
Born no more born one.
Toronto, Canada.
No more support to team bay.
Black Stars.
We are talking about the Chief Justice of the Republic.
But not is
it wrong for the Chief Justice to visit the Black Star camp?
It's not wrong.
Is it wrong for the Vice President to visit there?
It is not wrong.
It is the same time. For instance, who's a communication? You can't just get up and say who could visit the team or no. You must communicate with the team. No more arrangement. if you do call, oh, if your vice president will come at this time, can you join that team? In arrangement, we don't know. And I'm saying, sir, for me, I don't see anything wrong with the Chief Justice going to support the Black Stars.
But the joint appearance now, how do
they want it?
Can he
Say Vice President in Wako. At the end of the day, they are both in Canada. True of us. At the end of the day, we not go share match, no. It's in the body a woman near day. They should tell me. The body a woman a day. You see, Mama Mani knew who's out. Prof. Said John, car baby. What was I saying? Get know a chief mona.
Meaning power.
Meaning power. And the uncle said, "Get up where there was MPP near Yasi." Sani Libetran Ghana. Sani Mupesi Infantran Ghana. In Parliament, they will tell you, my friends, may E.T. Mensah so rest in peace. I see me MP. Who's the best friend? E.T. Mensah. When they saw MPP, I won't near them for NDC. When they saw NDC, I won't near them for MPP and not CPP. MPP need to work a program na NDC ni pabia mahwa program no onye. 12 us. They managed it. They move things. Why are we allowing politics to divide us?
But MPP for but your concern on one raising kesi part and say it could undermine the public confidence I want the judiciary mo.
And then and America no. Who say me my instance me say no. And I friend the vice president or the case a court. And our train outcome. And you who me no we could raise speculative questions. All I say. And only we can impute mischief. But in this case, FIFA fixing World Cup match between Ghana and Panama in Canada. And therefore, Ghanaians are going to watch the match. This park was in the Canada. Only a wife. Until you feel the park was in the Ekushia Chief Justice. Obe Bonatra. Prof. No, young income. Obe Bonatra.
There be on
morning tra. At the level park was there rise here Drew. Why former why minister da. Why MP da. The CJ they might have crossed paths somewhere into Huna or Betiano. Now we are CJ now or my now so vice president or Baha won't you go we pay home in a day. No, what is wrong with that? Me, I don't see anything wrong with that too. This is mutimina bibi naso enina so papa bi. You see, and we are sir, you cheapened the politics. Oh my discourse, no, just too pedestrian. As a, you want to raise flag because you are holding red flag in your arm.
And to the appearance together, no, it doesn't break.
What is wrong with it? That's I want to know. Maybe I can't see it. Help me. Bring me to speed as to what makes it wrong. No, then a man here wrong. Chief Justice took a gun and a bon hunka. Vice President took a gun and a bon hunka. And for protocol arrangement, Omako Shia or no more cabo, boom, no more qua. What is wrong? For all you know, they might coincidentally checked in one same hotel. No one hint so Vice President one hour coachano so oh it be about 2 hours. Me coachia team no. So they made do a chine akona mo coachia team na boni abam. Omwana omadi asamatiano. No, as a man, a work court, Chief Justice, a dear Tio Bintia, it is weighing down the public. Now, the judiciary and the iron and weighing the man. Prof.
It's you,
judiciary now, Nyaya Dahono. Who Vice President, new President, Vice Chief Justice, and never more confidence in judiciary. A man for Mudio case, you court or Munya justice. At that cost 10 years, near 11 years, 20 years, sir. Or more adjournment, and then a man for a can was him.
But
what is it?
Wait, too.
Yes.
Sir, you share the code of ethics of the judiciary.
Very good.
It says that a judge shall not attend an event that is partisan in nature, but it also explicitly carves out an expression. A judge's administrative duties would naturally lead to contact with government officials, and this is necessary and appropriate. Okay. Okay, so
a judge's administrative duties will ordinarily lead to contact with your very government officials. We are talking about the second person, the primus inter pares, the first among who you president or vice president.
Sure.
It is a chief justice that took quite number be our vice president to kabum no mokwa. But
the court,
this activity is non-partisan.
But also,
yes, he will not. They will not be attending partisan. World Cup no partisan.
Okay, there be
NDC na and MPP na FIFA MPP no NDC. FIFA Yarga party.
There be.
People should they should elevate the discourse. Look for something tangible. Ya tigana hana kwesa FIFA be allegation say former chief justice at the $5 million bribe at the case of finism at the amasheshe. Sheshe ebe trust he didn't know. Say kwesa FIFA na now ye lawyer in the case. And no case na kwesi say. And no, he did not win the confidence of the people in the judiciary. Merely seeing people working together, going to support Ghana Black Stars. And Mumbai winning the confidence of Ghanaians in the judiciary.
People can perceive.
Give us a break.
But listen.
And let's progress.
Among force bet me perceive say perhaps in the crowd seeing them together, there could be a communication that you and I were not there and you will not know.
What communication? I mean, the case Ben what quarter Chief Justice in the Tiso.
Okay, so listen.
Unless otherwise they tell me say Chief Justice in the throw rulings, Edima other judges.
Okay, so wait. The code of the justices adds that a judge shall take care that they are not perceived as being advisors to those holding political office.
So
perception.
Yeah, no.
Perception.
No. Read that again.
Yes, I'll read it.
Read that again.
Perception.
Read that again.
I'll say
on perception.
Wait.
There's a concluding sentence.
Wait. Those holding political office.
No. You read your sentence.
No. I'll say wait. The court asks that a judge shall take care that they are not perceived as being advisors to those holding political office.
Very good. Advisors.
Yes.
They will not be perceived as persons advising people holding political
office.
Yeah. Does this show say no autonomy?
But they were together. There could be conversations you and I.
No.
Will not be privy to. So we are talking about perception.
The text says advisors.
But perception is also underlined. Yes.
You saw how she was behaving in the courtroom, obstructing Chachuchikata and paving way for other lawyers. It is there. You can videos no Chachuman and so no block no. We saw it. When you can see clearly that was when you can say the person is advising the other counsel in the case. What that shows that no advice will be. No. You see, young cannot quench your home. Dr. Baumia echo Canada Ibia. And who vice president Obeko Chiano. True of us.
That's a no
Obeko Chiano. Bonnie. Would have been bad. Bonnie. Maybe saying income. Bad and away the ebony.
The perception.
What makes it wrong?
Don't create a situation amount for perceiving.
And yet, Jenna no pokwaji my wedding or what And yet, Jenna no pokwaji my birthday party be. And Chief Justice start to no fita bono I mo kan say kundu you are planning to imagine the chacha court na here no aka so oni nu wa yenko fa bi into bit we eventer FIFA organize far away Canada. Maybe what issues with it. Do you get it? But with this instant case, I want to see the element, not speculations, not conjecture. People to point to specific conduct of the Chief Justice in Canada that portrays him as an advisor or sort to the Vice President. Merely working together to the team place and holding place to go and encourage them. No.
But couldn't they have
not and can't constitute ground for advising the Vice President?
Couldn't they have avoided this kind of discussion by say, okay, say people,
it
is creating some perception.
Human beings that are creating this discussion just for political point. Minimu ha ena amanfo twabo napo wewa ne bonni anapo ayen se samije mfiase ye ka baabi samije mfiato ne nsafe no napo ko ho twa ne video si wa kwa ye ni binti wa ye bonni true or false?
No correct.
Aba, why can we sit in this country as if we are enemies?
Okay, so let's
and MPP need to be going this in ye. NDC need to be go MPP near ye. Is that where we have come to? What year drew? Prof. What year drew? Politics, no. You see, we can agree to disagree. And now you bet me I agree with one thing. Tomorrow we may disagree. We are not enemies.
Makati, listen to this. This is rule 2. They are talking about judicial independence.
Very good.
Principle 5 says that a judge shall not conduct official business under the direction or control of the executive to safeguard the independence of the judiciary and frames the separation between the judiciary and executive as something requiring active protection, not just passive non-interference.
So what is it? What has it been done? No, what has it been done?
Going to visit the Black Star. No, wait.
No, that thing. Me see the omuba come. Akom. Ebet mamu 1 year. But let them peruse the laws of court, the code of conduct. The omun coming up. You see, if people have genuine concern, I'm daring them now. I'm throwing challenge to them. So more genuine concern say Chief Justice are breaking any of the rules or conduct of office as Chief Justice. Let them proceed to court.
Okay, so
they should file for him to be removed.
Makati, let's listen to this.
Yes.
The rule 5.
Rule 5.
Or say a judge shall not conduct official business under the direction or control of the executive.
Very good. Official business.
Official business.
That is the question for whoever is sending you this to provide. A judge's official
Nobody has sent me this. It is true that research that I have also made.
You see, presumption.
Sure.
Assumptions. Perceptions. I am perceiving you to be reading. My assumption is that you are either reading from a texter. Do you get it?
I'm not reading from it.
Until see with the clarity now, but you are researching. And now when you so people are asking questions. They're not asking the right people.
I'm just looking at the code of ethics.
Code of ethics is there. You see, official. You read it. It's official duty. What is the judge's official duty? Discharging of justice. Canada's also the official duty. Canada no track case benzo. Case ben no di onum. Project ben no in the name of the judiciary. He is the Chief Justice. He has the liberty like any of us to travel out of this country. He is at liberty to go and watch match. Our pay. And what this is a match with. This does not fall under his official duty. We cannot force this thing under that. Nobody can do it. And yet, any official duty.
Any private duty.
This is a private thing. Any private I exercise no what.
Okay, mami.
He has nothing whatsoever to do with official.
I am only looking at the code of ethics for the judges. Those are the apex.
Yes.
And listen to rule 6.
Yes.
Me, I'm only playing the
You
devil.
started from rule 1. Let's go.
I'm only playing the devil's advocate.
I know.
Perhaps
there might be something. There's nothing.
Okay, so let's look at rule 6. Let's look at my entry rule 6.
Rule 6
Principle 1 states a judge's conduct both in and out of courts must maintain confidence in impartiality and that everything from his associations or businesses interests to remarks may diminish the judge's perceived impartiality.
Yeah. What has been his remarks? No remark here day. Yeah, not Chief Justice a Wajina school kodo my real law. Ya call you to the bar. A catcher said the brilliance of a lawyer does not determine cases that will win it. In this country, Chief Justice Enimi Eboa. No, Okano Ghana. Does that not bring the confidence? See, oh Lord, who a lawyer, who nim dear as a lawyer, no, and you never more win the case.
Until the MPP for no can only on in your drink.
Then no more can. I want to me and Fashion Ama. The
joint appearance.
What is joint appearance near day?
Abema for me some judgment.
My main found question.
Or if I
remember, say this World Cup shall see you're not gonna go Bisa Kobo as a German was a BBC. I don't know, they were traveling. And a minister Kofi Adams. Any one blogger be. There were bloggers on the plane. And a mammy be. Also saw ko Germany, also if you come so ko Germany according na home work as you. Omukwa ko disikana say bibisa. You record that.
I remember.
It brought a whole lot of backlash until say sa blogger no e call back maame no. I mean clarify say on your born no kwa go hwe o. Ono okoji na home wo Germany. Wa ye duma bre. And the sika no kwa go no ka ho asem. It has nothing to do with match Ghana for Kwakobo. A coincidence. And no more share will play anymore. You see, there are coincidences. And I may be sano. Say, Chief Justice who vice president. No, but Shana. What would the people complaining say? Then no make. No, catch me, Prof. It's here when Chief Justice who vice president there were Canada. And the way you need to change. Say oh no because of your Chief Justice in tea.
That's all bet me say hi.
And then any interaction.
No, and then all bet me say hi. But the two of them working together. No?
What is wrong?
It is creating an impression.
Now Omuko Parliament. Don't they work together?
This is the Chief Justice.
But Chief Justice
and the Vice President.
Otiha omunyina sorry boom eko banquet boom. Two of us. They go to Parliament together, State of the Nation. President Okwa, you will see the Chief Justice there. Omuri Obiako sign. When they finish, Omudi Omuhuechi eko state banquet. There's nothing wrong with that. State banquet, the way to my Ghana, Boni Bia ni Mayesa. Now, state banquet na yes, she share ideas. And you want to push agenda.
And to Mummy, you go Canada, we share ideas. Or Mukako share.
I said, and I make state banquet na maka banquet. You could di dinner no manza.
Minim.
And I make where you ko shijama.
And to Mummy, no call on Koshija.
Now one who vice president go to one who vice president.
Oh,
who video?
For vice president.
You have the video. Who video no? One vice president say who na near Jibebre. That is what it is. That is what she's going there to do.
Na keto kreku aye.
Amuna na nim se maka che. Ket there. GFA nemesis.
Sir, GFA how no. Any ket. Oh,
say.
Why?
Na GF no ket by one ket aye. A GFA person.
What thought Timbasi said the team so no. Makati I don't know, sorry, is it not true?
What has that added to Ghanaian football?
Facilitated traveling of the players.
And in your pony want to me players menu anka Black Star. There's no conscious effort at developing players. What is it? There's no conscious effort at developing players. Obaye, AstroTurf, the concept of AstroTurf I wrote about, it is rather killing juvenile in Kran ball bono. Oh, not 300 Ghana and Kotua for 1 hour. Intinu Sabona no bono from bono and Yamunu. Oh, nyabi mobile because the Opesuko bono park no ma converting to AstroTurf now and see who copel ma misika. Oko papa sika. Ansana mutibe Kotua diabo. I bet you know more AstroTurf so. Mohamed Gago no didn't play on AstroTurf. Makelesi no more. George Opongwe and Mobo and but they were celebrated worldwide. Let's get serious. You see, Kurt will be Kurt. And Kurt will do what he's doing. But me will me him. Say, what the Kurt ni I offend them? Because in two side by side. Yes, because with all whatever people are saying about him or no. Now he will get the job done. It's about getting the job done for the people of Ghana. Results. Actually,
you are saying, sir, Kwesi Nyantakyi was better than Kurt.
I am not the one saying the result is speaking for itself. It is there. But because Kwesi a black star no, any soccer no, he has brought us backwards instead of progressing. He has brought us backwards, but we always celebrate mediocrity. Into your back election, no Marco Traman.
But Facebook is here. Would want to take a critical look at that video.
Vice President.
Vice President.
Or jubilating.
Or jubilating.
Yes.
And then we also.
Munano.
Muna.
No. Why won't get our leader?
Oh, be cat, menenya encounter one-on-one.
One-on-one. Oh,
there be. When I was the CEO of Techiman City Football Club, menenya encounters that. But he's a good person. He smiles. And you know who catch him say, Keta, me who say Ket was reda. I know the man fan for her because Ket was repa.
Me who down.
Keto kreku.
You see, Trokun said near ye who na ye ni who dance here. Me who so was because me manage the team that. So I've not had that opportunity. I wouldn't year one.
Facebook.
Jubilation. This is why she went there to go and encourage them.
SARFO post video. SARFO post video. The man encounter. You're vice president or jubilate.
Over 70 or no son.
Shekets.
Wamuna.
Na edentra.
The name on ya.
Because everyone who said born I born in yet.
Nampai bossy. Train you train no mamba. We go kwa ni mabaje.
Was it cat and pie one saying?
Anka angana na wamuna to. Oh, question. Why did he fry his face?
Your shop picture no Facebook.
It was stadium including expatriate white for the bro for now almost Ghana
Jesus no.
Omundina both say yeah. Na GFA president wamuna.
Go the buy, no. Nanko so sorry,
expression of joy. So one sorry mpoa mawanim and kasantre. Let us see the joy in your face because you were mostly communication. You were two types.
Yeah.
You were verbal and non-verbal.
Verbal communication.
We were communicated non-verbally. See, on you happy with the goal.
Sana makati huno.
Nanya sana tia prof who is saying. Maybe I don't know. How are you seeing it?
Maybe who say go na buy no. Nanya dia.
Go.
Debbie. Go na buy no. Nanya dia me niaje. Because of the ball I boy, you know.
But what ball? No one money. Now goal about be ma progress anima. Why are you not happy?
I got to say na SOMPA 106.5 FM. I mean, I say for God and country. Minimum can say, you when you make one was as na de biara dana ye de ebremo. Tontina 74, a ye dudu, a ye kama papa, arapa sorry now about T74, a bueni pedriano, ema mojano die fro sani ye. A dear friend mujabru, so when ye be da. A dear friend esichire ade unye bi da obi wo ho ekro bi atono ho ne honam ekro no wuda hepatitis B and C, liver, kidney wahremo ubrabom problems obi wo ho kase nipa ho na nipa no twini ti akonachi. That's what we call halitosis. Me pacho obomoden na wonum T74 ya dia maboboso nyina no eto betwa. Me pacho oba obi wo ho obu ne nsa na amanfo e di na calendar because bosom nya so ya obonso no ye no fon obi tina ka mu kakra na se nyina tata. Me pacho bomode na T74. It's an immune system booster. Aye dudu entwen ma wo nko yade ansa na nkope T74. T74 aye ahoban boedro. Nempo no yade ne chiwa bomodin na pe ne chi akwan. Wo de wani chire drugstore pharmacy shop bia. Wo benya tontin at 74. Again also know say wo ye oba wa fefru a T74 nye mawo. Wo ye oba wo ma akoda no fo a T74 nye mawo. Akoda a wonye nifie 12 years T74 nye mawo. Me ba cho T74 yi se opeso ni doctor ekasa number obe fresi sunie 0244 6073 498 024 6073 498. Again, call Doctor no it was 050 162 8931. Now open the Dudomo tour. Bombarding na for when nature Okanshi drug lane. And how do we nature Kumasi Ashton calling na Kebala? Ebusu idea obenya T74 EB. Now I mean count RSYD no VG studio. One so much so as in the Ope so trap picture kama. Ope videos are and need that one wine post you when your views be bree. But more than a short videos in RSYD no VG studio. A studio a kama a abefu studio. Cameras are use to kama when ye be ye when you badin to be ye and I say when your wedding be a we obey here video coverage and not pictures I kama ebusuan na me koso akamfo RSYD no video studios amount uko studio ho a hosu ye very spacious. One more professional photographers, one more creative directors, me pato one more sa wo aye professional backdrops abema locations ahudo nyina oya nyum to me obese otwa music video aye RSYD no video studio ebusu amocha kwan e wo Malam Accra e wo First Kokro Street no so wa Base Fre RSYD no video studio for it was 05747157778. Again, read them on 03039748222. If you really want to create something extraordinary, remember a dingino a RSYD no video studios. Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic, Dr. Dubuateng Sanwe Jumenie. Endpoint, yeah. Se bande futua. Efa ya pomu ding hwa. Dr. Dubuateng was your champion bako pe. Yare kwankro. Yare bia na che wa mpachoji hwa enje. Asabre wama wa campem. Say ye stroke. Say ye yare boni bi na che. Aka odofu bia tumpem. Sabre de bia dano. Jese nipa no. Mo de ka fa no e de ne kwa ya asabia. But your endpoint se men kan kire say. A brand trim. What the also ye nyina say. Obaba modern a friend number is here. 0244 867068. 02742 34321. Now me can for endpoint a mouse so nko. Anya yare kwankron no ntimi hwe. Se mpo no yo ba wo pese ofefru. Bema wontimi hwe oba nyinsen. Bema bi wo ho jinso ana ne bema mo hyehye no. Enemu nsa ya de ojunso na junso ne mo apai. Bema wo bo adabrijo mi pacho. Wo pese to twama wa. Bomode na ko hu eye doctor Edubuaten Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Was it Father's Day a ebe? Me papa cho ejanu mo e. Mumbo moden na mo nfa wani nkyere. Eye Spinters Road. Shell signboard. Moko du ho a bisa Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Was it or chef fathers ene memma nko. Wo hwe fathers ne memma. obema ye aduane ama omo obema omo aduro obehwe omo obechima omo kasa de end point eba eye Ghana ha chere ye pa wo badwuma gidi sample open massage bi na aye open physiotherapy session bi na aye end point homeopathic clinic se bra memma na mo bo siku amache na munya siku amache na bo aye gozo emo emremremre bo modern na for wani kire end point homeopathic clinic na nsan video bi ebeto dwa amanfo hwe e wo social media no so abrante bi o kira de o Bole Senior High School abrante do anya aye school ni akoda abaya kwa ode na fa so no emani bebre e kanfo abrante no esanse ni tedua no na ayade a emu oden opese ode no mo ye den te sa abrante de dia bomode na fa wani kire end point homeopathic clinic Dr. Beboawo the number ni bio e 0244 867068 and now my friend 027 423 4321 21st clinic and every so say asre you can 21st clinic sciatica yade ye sciatica yase se bi nchire woda unim adekude ya ka ho asem se unim obi a ne sisi ye ne ya ne chikasa ye ne ya ne nan ba ko ye ne ya nkanka ne siremu me pato sa yade no e friend sciatica yade no age 21st clinic nkwa Ghana ha Africa ha West Africa ha age 21st clinic ne check coin e what Tantra Hill runabout so what man out tiemia bomoding na for weni kire aye Roman Catholic asondan na chi ho a so what kaso a o new market obum kwan no so mo Kumasi Ashanti region mo tie yen bomoding na for weni kire ehwan overseas baby SOMPA FM wo na wo sunyane a wo mani regional hospital first gate ni de di hwe ni mo techimanfo e buntie ni yew wo ma cha kwan e wo GN Bank kane baby ana wo mu wo no so na wo nkransa on be eye children's park takrade obehu wo wo fie kuma no banai taxi station wo mu wo clinics ni bi wo brekum goso and oboase be ba to yare a clinic amekanfo ama no 21st clinic from 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 sabre ma me kwa man so na me mfa eye course kakra any callers na enimum kakra 0260 196064 0260 196065 hello good evening
yeah good evening
yeah me ba so na me na ka say
ABC I'm going to be patcho check it kuma do ashama patcho ashama for communication of the patcho to maintain and according to who concept the patcho montumano
okay
communication of that and I find deputy communication of our katamaso montua ABOTCHIE
yes
me say about so no be a very Sharon
yeah
we Tema West woman organizer montumani papa
yo yate
mucha mane come asem so kosi koda se impenifo na anko supporto branda ene ati ena mutitia ena ma anko supporto omo supporto so a na omo jimani sa na ma forso kasa omo chief justice ayede no omo pere omo fanko no omo kwaye no sinu awaye ena apeso buni eti a okeku one jideni no oh small boys are young we be sorry one change that because of that no matter what they count you know or could that bet can I go to shoot check
why go try bet
okay good
oh debi but want to mean kasa misro hello
we me polo atama wo kan ye fra I say the dia dance here only that dance me asem bi asem tiri ma no kan radio so atama wo kan ye ma yeah, my son, I was from Cantaman to Accra, Ghana.
Yo,
I want you here.
Me who pa?
Yo, the program, no. Oh, listeners, and I wouldn't imagine so. And the Yashaboro, we may have more plans, but Pietro, the other press. Let me tell you, Papa.
Yeah, that's it.
So, the Pata, great Accra woman of Granta, now we are put you on one echo, watch it, I could not share my wife. Oh, what do you have to be? I can go down, communication director. And I know the car. North communicated the letter. Papa Baumia, the Minister. ABOTCHIE, Ghana, Bora, not Ghana, and West Cap, the boy can President Kuko a term and a co-worker first. Now, Ghana, a bit borrower, national anthem, a borrow, the NDC for national anthem, and the men support. God bless our homeland Ghana, and the Ghana, and the Ghana, a bit I see a support. Now, me, the players ready, and they are group that they are qualified.
Oh, me that's it, yeah. Hello?
Prof.
Yeah, me was one minute, I say.
Aha, me have the family.
All right, young call him.
Man of any. Prof.
Yes.
The time was Makati say, Makati, who know when this mobile power. That you committees are what they won't come at them. And now, anything what you moving the sea, Dana, a flooding, a craft flooding. What is the name? None of committees move away. Committees so and so, committees so and so. And they don't come at them. So you know, a committee has a yard to. And I'm about to say, your mammy, by President, say, that I come or buy and President, and then Mofran, and watch chocolate, or buy a vice president. And I want chocolate and the time I done a black bag for them. I am up. And now, Ghana for no Muguano, how much master ticket? What's the anything now? Taratare, a different man for the thing now. Oh, for Mungo. Nemo, nine under the 48 ticket. I'm a bugger for the move and it's almost a boy can get now one in Anno. I'm going to stand for that on Bogabo. What I was the account of anything, and I'll buy a mother to the or we are setting, video maybe I are setting.
Midasi, so bye. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Me pacho wana mene kasi. Lafia lo, baba ya my intio. My intio.
Joe Ashama, communication support, the chairman no, or call communication gentleman who Ashama my. About. To say a final market for a public office of Niboa. Never said. Okasa no ko ball asembe no ata mumi enka no kore chief justice be o no ya kola obi e we yeduma be bo akoko anti won timi nne sika no anka za konko yebo enti enti di phone ni asembi aso mo pese kwan bia so o munya tem e de 20 so since I buy no munya tem bia nka yi ana se ba onya abojo mo to ba ku ni ngai eni agreement de dire o mo kwa ya o mo ko to ba to me ni o ko ni agreement. The bank of the for the economy, and I say the economy will reach a as a movie can correct, and I can be any before the economic boom. And this is by and say, I think I'm paying you look at them. You won't buy the economy, no, a year
Midasi, Baba. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, me bacho, what are more? 1 minute in the castle, now casa free.
Well,
yes.
Your family, for fire.
Of fire.
Of
fire also Casafia Shamai. Quasimine. Okay, of fire. What? Me patch my into my into.
Let me say, I'm empty, Papa. John Cleaner, protective of Manoff. Maybe but let me say, 1 o'clock, little bit later. Honorable, Rabbi, Namishra with me. But none of for you to me now say, or Medawaki, Namishra.
Yes.
Not a Makati. Can be about Dr. Bawania, it's in my way. And it's between the party. Kevin, party, this class, it's bedroom. And you create through the and I mean, party, NGC, you walk like this. May send it, may be start some another, it's a meeting. Well, what I say, if any body, a general secretary, the back, so it's a position. Now, per se, over contest here. As I say, always time for 6 months. And I've got one of the
Matipa.
Good. Only say, exactly woman said, natural executives say almost to see him. One way or the other, they are protecting themselves. And then 2, the who said, Obituary resign from the position. So about the contest here. That's why I don't know what we are not on tech. 7, you need to go. When in fact, to offer as a national executive, when in fact, the next government, you know, the way that the star, you never saw. I said, the son is there. A better, that part, you know, we see, and I said, so much past enough for so. And when I branch here, you see, I first justice here, what? Or cut or pass for deputy national organizer. Then you start thinking in the state. Pass, you know, as I said, you know, the national planning. Not government, listen to far. Party executive, actually control the appointees. Oh, yeah, the dinner, yeah, national executives and a party executives, yeah.
And yeah.
Yes, McCarthy, the other thing, yeah, not about the idea. And what else to come the apple? You at your house with the vice president to see the other nothing. So what's now for Mamma? Now you're seeing area one food. I know what reference to it. You did it the next match I ever want to go. The Korean.
Yamin Shaw, sir, was so by radio. So, hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Maybe I one I'm in the Cassie.
Mr. Jackson,
Abna, what am I patrol my entire way?
You may patrol and this is why you young to what they pack one. And it says, a people are do and about me, and it's still quite a and son no more benefit, young for some moment, you almost so man or my normal by then, no more young son and Yama from dollar cope and wake up. I almost point to me on Yama in a coffee and theatre, and no more that to me no you don't have to turn on bomb yes. I am to pay afternoon, Madame.
Yes, you're a passer by. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening, Abochi.
Yeah, me patrol one I'm in the Cassie, what are man?
Repacho, where you Felix Bell, I inquire.
Yellow crumble, me that's it. My entire way.
Abochi Midasi. Abochi, when you say, no, be son, say, Nabene Beshia, and Uka, I would do number banana in Ankara Kasa.
Make Ipa.
Okay.
Make I.
Why do you have Panama?
Oh, not some number there, they be at that air.
Oh. SOMPA FM. And after program, no me sound far like we are now.
There be with a T. The number is 0249. And there be Nyabutre. 0224 now.
0249
77 view 79 okay, me number no. Me da se pass over dwumadi no so. Yey.
Oh mama ka be kaka.
Ah, ke bibi kan enko.
Abochi mo cha the incoming national chairman on ABOTCHIE Jako. And me new Felix here down Kwatema West.
All right.
Incoming first vice. Me new Penny Eric Naki. Greater Accra Regional second vice. Now Abochi.
Yes.
Maybe a no much no. A true baby no. Nani da swasa.
Nani da swasa.
What me would say near man ko ye. Na nani eje say enra nyamitime ya aduma ya branch no number 10 no who dey force what you go far ball no. So ya na je go ye selfish. Onu an kata be say go na. Anka ye tiati. E je be prepare no. Enkan Jordan. Ye panchao onya ball na. All religion ball no e team. And I'm over board.
Yo,
SOMPA.
Yeah, that's it. Hello.
Good evening.
What are more? Good evening. One minute, I can say. Okay, I'm free from my NTOA.
Yo, when you my power, your woman Ghana, Nakupon Shramonians and Magic.
Yo,
I'm in chair on ABOTCHIE Jako, incoming national chairman, MPP, delegate. Yes, Mabanyas are full, and Yana Mortentain. You have paid your Becca part Nabumu, and Sunny at Magica. When yes, I am no night, Bejipa one day. Yanka Bumwa, Yaji and the bedding. One of a PROF. I in the credit, you know, or the original Utimi Lemois. There was 20 young Lemois, and country of the data. No, I thought not the man. PROF. Maybe and some now the time there. Nino, a yet there. so the mamenta born once I'm say and no was so yes Jordan when you born a ball or more can say na ye say maybe I'm no more in your junior or yadi because we Ghana qualify we no true or no and the man you can say only na boa for the man you can qualify.
All right.
We require there.
Osai.
Medasi. It's by name of the person can say yeah, this is me yados. We don't pass be ask me you will contest or not so the man. And the double ground in Kenya first go. And oh yeah, or no go service you free. Oh yeah, to any farmer. No you let me no be foul. It is reno with him why be Madonna. Aya o small service no.
Medase. Yeah, sorry. Now, me corner me make a which way and sana. Me nuya baba ko bakati train. Me nuya baba ko a friend of Charity I'm watching. Pacho Fatro baby. Charity I'm watching. Charity I'm watching. So what do we need to Nkransa North constituency NPP muno ope women organizer na oyobia owabotre na oyobi susu a oka no kre wonye sisifo enti Nkransa North constituency NPP adehia omwo hoyi mu maintain eye charity na migidi se obeboa mama nyoko no ewo tachiman ewo Nkransa North constituency. Me can touch man na. Nkransa North. Enti me pamocho Nkransa North constituency. Ye nua ba charity amwaten osa babio. Mo amu ne medwuma wo ye. Oyobi a wo abotre. Wo abadaye. Wo kasa wotie. Enti charity amwaten Nkransa North constituency oba women organizer. Enti ebesere mo. Adihye mo ho do. Muntu aba no emma no emma me. Charity Amwatin. Nana Mwatin. So Makatuka Nana Mwatin. Nana Mwatin be a woba a tree with the no. Aha, MPB no. Aha, ne who can no. Ne chocho muncho no. Aha. Charity Amwatin. We want to wish you all the best. Now, you know about this celebrating the birthday there. Mavis a free year. Now, happy birthday going out to you, Mavis a free year. Which are quite a go so. Now, SARFO Kantanka, where Juma, was SOMPA 106.5 FM say Omawa wodapa na oso odo wo pe wasem enti koso na hwe ho so ye na dachi bi no say bibia koye dia Mr and Mrs no ebeba so enti from SARFO to you I am Mavis every year Bagati me da se paso ba nya mishra
me da se
ena chama kwesi boku hu say wo na oba no odwane
oh zaman de ono kadokre
oh
Chairman Kadukra.
I was a friend